Low power mode is a battery saving feature on MacBooks that extend the battery life by reducing the screen brightness and background processes. Today, I'll show you how to enable low power mode on your MacBook so you can get extra juice out of your MacBook's battery when in need. There are two ways to turn on low power mode on MacBook. The first method involves a few steps and will work on any Apple Silicon Mac. To use the Apple menu to launch the System Settings app on your Mac, click to open the battery settings. Click the drop-down menu next to low power mode and choose the only on battery option. From now on, macOS will turn on low power mode when your Mac runs on battery. If you have updated your Mac to macOS Sequoia 15.1, you can turn on low power mode directly from the menu bar. Launch the System Settings app and click on the Control Center settings. Scroll down to the battery section and set the Show Energy Mode setting to Always. Now, clicking the battery icon in the menu bar will reveal a low power mode setting that you can click to turn it on. In low power mode, macOS reduces the screen brightness, restricts the background tasks, and prompts active application to reduce energy consumption. This means that while your Mac will perform all the tasks, you will see a slight reduction in overall performance. Curious how much performance is lost in low power mode? Let's find out by running Geekbench tests on MacBook in normal and low power mode. I ran Geekbench CPU and GPU benchmarks on power, battery, and battery with low power mode. Here are the results. The CPU and GPU scores don't change much when Mac is running on power or battery. On the contrary, the CPU multi-core score and GPU scores increased on battery, but that would be attributed to variance. The noticeable change appears when the Mac is running in low power mode. The CPU's single-core score decreases by 742, which is almost 30%, and the multi-core score drops by 2962 or 23%. So you are losing anywhere between 20 to 30% performance depending upon your workload. The GPU scores remain unaffected, which is consistent with Apple's claim that low power mode only reduces the CPU performance. All these tests mean is that you should only use low power mode when you need the extra juice. In all other cases, you should keep it turned off to get the best performance. Before you go, click here to find out how to check your MacBook battery health and charge cycle. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.